In this video, I will show you how to get the best VPN for PC. To get the best VPN, you will need to visit nordvpn.com in your web browser. Here, click on the Get the Deal button. NordVPN provides you with VPN security so you can avoid downloading malware. It also blocks ads and trackers for more privacy. NordVPN encrypts internet traffic with advanced encryption protocols like AES-256, ensuring that your data remains secure and private while being transmitted over the internet. NordVPN offers a vast network of servers located in over 60 countries worldwide. NordVPN adheres to a strict no-logs policy, meaning it does not track, collect, or share users' online activities or personal data. This commitment to privacy enhances users and trust ensures anonymity online. NordVPN offers a feature called Double VPN, which routes your internet traffic through two different servers, adding an extra layer of encryption and security to your connection. It offers 3 plans: Complete, Plus, and Basic. All these offer different features. Choose the one that matches your needs. So overall, NordVPN is the best VPN for your PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.